What's up, guys? It is 6 more hours till New Year's. At the resort here where we're staying, they're doing like a New Year's Eve party. You pay for it. I think it's just going to be a good meal they're going to serve up. Just going to be a little party here. They're going to have live music and everything like that. But anyways, before I show you around here and show you how they have it just really nicely decorated, I want to wish all you guys a Happy New Year. I hope things get better in 2021. I know some of you guys are dying to get over here to be with your wife, your loved one, your girlfriend, whoever. So anyways, Happy New Year. And with that, check out this resort, man. They really went all out on this. What? You okay?
I'm so sleepy.
that meal just fills you up, and then it's like, oh, I just want to take a nap.
It is.
Yeah.
I'm so sleepy.
But you can't take a nap because
we got 2 buckets of beer.
the beer buckets are here. 2 beer buckets.
You got regular and light.
San Miguel Light, San Miguel Pilsner, and it is 11 o'clock. We still got another hour.
I'm so sleepy.
You gotta make it up 1 more hour.
30 minutes.
Take a little nap.
Here's where we're chilling. Right here. That's where we're chilling, right here. Right on the beach. Bucket of beer.
Happy New Year.
Waiting for midnight to arrive so we can shoot some fireworks and then go to bed, right, Lut? And then go to sleep.
Show them the fireworks.
Oh, here's fireworks. I bought some, but they're gonna shoot. They got a bunch here. They're gonna shoot. Bought this roll here. I told the guys, yeah, shoot that off. There, here, these. How many is there? 200? 200. I got 200 also, but that's in the hotel room. I'll take them back to the city with me. This is the pyro team right here. You see the alcohol and fireworks go good together, right?
Yeah.
Sort of like firearms and alcohol, right? I've heard a few go off, not many. Like you can hear them out in the distance, pop, 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 pop. Couple close by here. You see, it's dark out there. It's dark out in the distance here. It's quiet here, guys. Well, it's it's not quiet. I mean, you hear the ocean, of course. But look at this. So you can see that there, how the sand's washing away here. That's a tree there, that palm tree. I was out by this palm tree earlier today on sand. And it's washing out. Look, here comes the water in. There's another one, little one right there. The sand is, the ocean is washing it out. This is like a homemade fireworks display here. Check this out.
3 minutes.
How many minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Check out the homemade firework display. That's awesome.
Brought to you by Sinigang ni Paksiw.
There's some going off over there. Not, I see a couple there. There's a couple going off, but not yet. They're getting the sticks hot. Get them all red, and then they can touch the fuse on that. This ought to be interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. You know what I mean? Oh yes. Oh, thank you, Peter.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you. Happy New Year's, Peter. Oh, there goes one. Test one.
Thank you very much. I'll be careful with the glass. Down. Peter brought us some. Look at that.
The owner, Peter, brought us some champagne. I know it's out of focus. Let me try to focus. Peter brought us some champagne.
So those fireworks in the distance, that's Herbescondo.
Oh, look! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Hang on, let me get my champagne over here. Look, there's my champagne. You got it, look.
Here.
I know it's dark. Come over here, look. Come over here. There it is. Happy New Year's, Blood. Happy New Year's, everybody. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ah. I know it's dark. See how they're doing it. That was right on me, man. My ears are ringing. Oh. Hey, you gotta be brave. You gotta be brave and a little drunk. What was that? Happy New Year?
Oh, that's nice.
It's a smoke maker.
Yeah.
Do they do anything? Do they do anything? Or are they just like
Just that.
just fire?
You're after those. It's like that's all they do.
Oh yeah.
So this is Happy New Year and final option.
Yeah.
Thanks, Peter. All right, Happy New Year.
Mga single lang dito. Yan ang allowed to go.
Come over here and see what Lut's doing. You alright, Lut? What are you? You're eating a grapefruit or something like that, aren't you? Lut went back to the room and grabbed the fruit, not the fruit, the fruit.
You want some?
No, no, thank you.
Look, it's so pretty.
Oh, they got some more going. Oh, gone. They're gone. There were some going over there. Alright, I'm going to wrap this one up. Look, come up here. I think I'm going to wrap this one up. We're going to wrap this one up from P&M Final Options here in San Juan La Union. So it was a good night tonight. What do you got to say about anything?
I wear polka dots.
What's that mean?
Means every year, it's because like New Year's, you always do it to wear polka dots to bring you luck.
Oh, okay. All right, there you go. All right, guys. You know what? Somebody said, why you keep calling us guys? Call us folks. Okay, folks. That'll be the new thing for the new year. Instead of saying, all right, guys, I'm going to say, okay, folks. Maybe, okay, ladies and gentlemen. I'll change it up if I can remember. And with that being said, you know what? Say it, Lut. Say it.
Take care of your pets.
What else?
Take care of your family.
What else?
I don't know. What else?
Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. You have pets? Take care of your pets. And with that, you know what, guys? I hope everybody has a good, happy New Year's. And we'll see you 2021.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.